Hi, this is your Byram Stanhope chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic, and I'm going to go over something called contrast therapy. Contrast therapy is something that's really good for people who have pain and tightness, or people who need to put ice on an area and they really don't like the cold. I'm going to give you a break here and tell you about contrast therapy. Contrast therapy uses heat and ice, and what it does is when you apply the heat, your blood vessels are going to vasodilate, which means they're going to open up because of the warmth, and then when you put ice in the area, they will vasoconstrict, which will make the blood vessels smaller and tighter. And when you do back-to-back sessions of heat and ice, you're going to cause the vasodilation effect followed by the vasoconstriction, back and forth like this, which will almost cause like a pumping mechanism to help pump inflammation out of the area if you're trying to manage inflammation. Now, ice is very good for pain relief. Heat is great for tightness relief. You do not want to use heat on anything that is more acute, meaning it's happened within 3 months. You never put heat on a sprained ankle. A lot of times people in our office will put heat on their low back or something like that after they helped their friend move, they slept the wrong way, fill in the blank. It's basically a strain to the low back and they're putting heat on the area. For whatever reason, we don't make that correlation of don't put heat on a sprained ankle, don't put heat on a sprained low back or strained low back. So I'm going to go over contrast therapy now. Really, really simple protocol. What you do is you put heat on the area of complaint for 10 minutes. After that, immediately after that, you're going to put ice on that area for 10 minutes. You're going to repeat that one more cycle. So heat again for 10 minutes, and then ice for 10 minutes. Heat, ice, 10 minutes each, a 40-minute session, and that is going to help with tightness and pain if you're trying to get both of those results achieved in one session. Go ahead and give that a try. It's very effective for like a tight area that you have maybe in your calves that's also a little sore. So go ahead and give that a shot. This is your Byram Stanhope chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic.